共产党的特工。来了几个人？4个。
出来！
从哪儿来？苏营。俩人没干什么。18号有个秘密信。啥秘密信？叫不得。完了。
为了这次行动，我们整整训练了7个月。都训练什么呀？跳伞、射击、格斗，还有俄语。
告诉我，你们他妈行动是什么？你说他们是要掩藏什么，才付出那么大的代价？
The waterman is real. Legend has it that he's still living up by the lake, searching the waters and the woods for his wife, so he could bring her back from the dead.
This town is weird.
It's just different here than what we're used to.
Yeah, real different.
I know this move's been hard for you. It's been hard for your dad, too. He's just stressed about me.
I always thought the waterman was just something grown-ups told kids to keep him from sneaking off into the woods. No one knows where to find him. No one except me.
The note I saw in this book says that he's immortal. I need to know more about it.
Got any money?
Yes, but I'm still gonna need money to buy supplies.
Supplies for what?
I'm going to find the waterman.
Come into my office.
I just want to know if the waterman is real.
But that forest is alive. Being in those woods all alone, no chance to escape.
I know how to make you better. Do you know what he meant by that?
There's some weird stuff going on.
It's a sign. They're getting close.
Run!
Hope is a powerful force. It made you see
Gunner!
what you wanted.
I'm gonna find him.
It made you see me.
1, 2, 3, 4. Close your windows, lock your door. 'Cause you never know for sure who it is he's coming for.
Dominoes, the greatest game ever invented. My great-great-great-great-grandfather learned the game from the Chinese. Then he smuggled it back to America, where it spread like mud butt on ribs.
If you can rock these bones, you can start a cult. Junior, I'm over here rehearsing for this domino tournament. Now I got this obligation. You know white kids is a problem.
It's cracking, y'all! The World Domino Championship! We're talking a grand prize of 10,000 big ones!
We can't get there quick enough.
Why are you going to Cabo and I'm going to Compton?
Blow me a kiss, baby. Oh, it's so strong.
Where's Compton?
Oh, I hope you got 9 lives, because I'm finna eat the cat from the back.
How are you even my dad?
My good-for-nothing Uncle Tom's son ditched you on me. What you know about them bones?
It's basic probability, really. It all comes down to how many variations of numbers you can play based on the factors of the hand you've drawn, and then you calculate the most efficient statistical one.
You mean you know how to play this?
Yeah.
Hell, Andy, why'd you say so? I want the whole world to see me whoop that tweaking bullies.
10-speed is in the building. The S-N-I-C. You look ridiculous. You need to get a tattoo that's inflammable.
Just bring love and spirit into us.
Stick steel.
Damn, Miss Jeffries.
This is Mr. Walter McDonough.
You got my check, right?
Technically maxed out my credit card.
And so when Miss Jeffries cash that check, then we can go, you know. But until then, you don't want me and the Lord on your ass.
I ain't seen you in a good minute, bruh.
Prison.
Okay, right.
Every time I think about beating blood out of somebody, I just like rub my thumbs against my earlobes like this, right? And I just feel like, oh, blood, living this in life.
We just want to know where you're going, mija.
To practice for the domino tournament. When I come back holding this trophy, my seat at the table will be undeniable.
Women like volleyball, ribbon dancing, basket weaving.
Basket weaving!
Basket weaving.
This is my brother.
Y'all know what time it is?
See, you don't win at bones unless you get in the folks' head.
Who next?
It brings people together. I know y'all ain't ready.
You working with the area?
Just wanted a fresca.
How do you know, husband, whether you will save your wife?
You make plans for things. Life happens. I want to live a bigger life.
You know, Anne, I am surprised that you wound up marrying Jacob. Whatever happened to the adventurous Anne?
This is so tempting. I just can't do it to Jacob. That's odd. You've got new teeth coming in. What?
Anne.
Oh, good, you're home. Get changed. I'd like to go out.
40 years I've known this woman. Every day the same. Now, I don't know who I'm coming home to.
How much of that could I get?
You want the blood?
I feel more alive than I have in years.
Hey, Mrs. Fetter, you all right? Mrs. Fetter?
It wasn't me.
Of course it was you.
Why didn't you tell me when this first happened?
I felt ashamed.
As you should. Husbands, love your wife. He who loves his wife loves himself.
So effed up.
That looks heavy.
I want to make my own decisions from now on.
You ever see something you couldn't explain, Sheriff?
You don't know how to fight for me because you've never done it.
Give me the strength to save her soul.
We need to finish this.
How you gonna write this one up, Deputy?
Domestic dispute. Nonviolent.
Ein Engel ist in meinem Zimmer.
Jetzt haben wir 200 zusätzlich für Mehrarbeit in Küche und Haus.
600. 200 für jeden Monat.
Sie sind ein berühmter Mann.
Ach was, vielleicht beliebt. Weißt du warum, Wanda?
Ja.
So hast du auch mal ausgesehen.
Dass du dich noch daran erinnerst, mein Lieber.
War das für dich da?
Ja.
Für mich?
Manche Gäste wissen nicht, dass sie für uns arbeiten. Deswegen wäre es besser, sie bleiben am Abend in der Küche. So, noch 20, Papa, dann hast du es geschafft.
Überlass mich nicht diesen Verrückten.
Sie sind Familie. Das ist ein Beweis für Liebe.
In Polen vielleicht. Es ist ein Wunder.
Ich werde Vater. Wanda ist schwanger von Papa. Ich lass mich scheiden.
Ich mich auch.
Wanda, willst du meine Frau werden?
Es geht doch hier um unsere Familie, unser Ansehen.
Du merkst schon selber gar nicht mehr, wann du lügst.
Ich gehe weg.